Hi, I'm Amelia from Nourishing Amelia, and today I'm in the Mornflake meal kitchen making a delicious, sweet and festive Christmas crumble. So we're going to start by making a really delicious mincemeat style mixture. So we're going to add some apple juice to a saucepan over a medium heat. Then we're going to add some dried cranberries, followed by some raisins. Then we're going to add some vanilla extract and some mixed spice and cinnamon. Then we need the juice of half an orange. And give that all a stir so all the ingredients are fully combined. And you need to let this simmer for about 10 minutes or until everything goes really soft and juicy. I love this part because the smells are so Christmassy and festive. While that's cooking, we can move on to make the apples. So we place a saucepan over a medium heat and add your chopped apples. And we add about a tablespoon of maple syrup just to sweeten it up a little bit. And give that a stir and again let that simmer for about 10 minutes. While the fruity layer is cooking, we're going to make the crumble. So to do this, you simply add some Mornflake jumbo oats to a mixing bowl, along with some ground almonds, some melted oil, some sweet maple syrup, and some ground cinnamon. And just give everything a mix. I love making this crumble because it literally takes like 10 seconds to throw together, and it's gluten free and vegan and refined sugar free as well. So when the fruits are really soft, they're finished cooking, and we're going to combine the two together. Once the mincemeat mixture and apples are cooked, you need to put them in a baking dish. At this point, your whole kitchen will just smell like Christmas. Make sure that is all spread out evenly. And then we're going to add the crumble topping. The oats give the best texture to this crumble. Make sure the crumble mixture is fully covering all the fruit. And then it's ready for the oven. So this crumble goes into the oven for about 30 minutes. And that's how you make a Christmas crumble, which is paired perfectly with some coconut yogurt.